The term taxonomy was introduced by A.P. De Candolle in 1813. So it was De Candolle who had coined the term taxonomy in his book Theory of Elementary Botany. Theory of Elementary Botany. So the correct option is A. Dash is a collection of pressed, dried and preserved plant. Now herbarium is a collection of pressed, dried and preserved plant. Dash labeled, arranged systematically for further reference. So they are mounted on paper sheets. So the correct option is B. In plants, growth occurs by dash throughout their lifespan. Choose an correct option to complete the statement. So plant growth occurs by cell division or multiplication. So either we call it cell multiplication or cell division. So the correct option is C. The witch's broom is caused by, now witch's broom is a disease of cherries and it is caused by Taphrine cerassae. It is a member of fungal class Ascomycetes. So the causative organism, the fungal ascomycete which is causing it is Taphrine cerassae. So the correct option is D, fungus. Deuteromycetes is commonly known as imperfect fungi because, now deuteromycetes are commonly known as imperfect fungi because only the sexual or the vegetative phases of these fungi are known. So the correct option here is only their sexual or vegetative phases of these fungi are known. Next question. The characteristic feature of bryophytes are the main part of the body. The main plant body is gametophytic, which is true. Main plant body is saprophytic, this is false. Requirement of water for fertilization, this is also true. So the correct option here is B. The first and the third statement are correct. Next, mannitol is the stored food in, now mannitol is the stored food in fucus. Now fucus belongs to the class Phaeophaceae, in which the reserve is found, the food reserve is found in the form of laminarian, mannitol and oil. So the correct option here is C, fucus. Which of the following is correctly stated as what happens in common cockroach? Oxygen is transported by hemoglobin in blood. This is false. Nitrogenous excretory product is urea is also false. The food is grounded by mandibles and gizzard. This statement is true. So in cockroaches, mandibles are a pair of hard, strong, large and dark colored triangular structure and they crush the food in between them. Gizzard or proventriculus has an outer layer of thick circular muscles and thick inner muscles forming 6 highly chitinous plates which are called as teeth. So gizzard would act as a grinding chamber and helps in grinding of the food particles. So the C statement is correct. Malpighian tubules are excretory organs projecting out from the colon. Even this statement is wrong. So the correct statement is option C. Which of the following is correct for the circulatory system of cockroach? It is present on the dorsal side and has 13 units of hearts in the abdominal region is false. It is present on the ventral side and it has about 10 abdominal and 3 thoracic units of the heart is also false. It is present on the ventral side and has 13 units of the heart in the abdominal region is also false. It is present on the dorsal side and it has 10 abdominal and 3 thoracic units of heart is true. So the correct option is D. In coelomates, the problem of diffusion of food from gut to tissues is solved by developing a circulatory system. Next, what is the botanical name of mulberry? Now the botanical name of mulberry is Morus alba. Morus alba, and it belongs to the family Moraceae. So the correct option is A. The plumule and the radicle are enclosed in sheath which are called as cleoptile and coleorhiza. So in monocotyledons, in monocots, the embryo is small and situated at one end of the endosperm. So embryo is small and it is at one end of endosperm. The embryo consists of one large and shield-shaped cotyledon which is known as scutellum and a short axis with a plumule and radicle. Okay, so this has scutellum, plumule and radicle. Now the plumule and radicle, these both are enclosed in sheath which are called as coleoptile and coleorhiza. The perigynous type of ovary is a feature of which of the options given here? Now perigynous ovary, what happens is the gynoecium is situated at the center and the other parts are located at the rim of the thalamus having same level. So here in perigynous type of ovary, which means the gynoecium is located at the center and the other parts are at rim at the same level. This type of ovary is called as half inferior, and the example is plum, rose and peach. So all of these. The presence of persistent calyx is a feature of which family? Now persistent calyx is a feature of the family Solanaceae. A. So the calyx is Gamosepalous. The calyx is Gamosepalous. Persistence and after which much enlarged in the fruit. So it is quite enlarged in the fruit. Next, fascicular, interfascicular and extrastellar cambium together constitutes It together constitutes lateral meristem. Lateral meristem occurs on the sides and helps in increasing the width of stem and roots. So it helps in increasing the width of stems and roots. Next question. Secondary phloem remains functional generally. Secondary phloem remains functional as long as the plant is alive. The number of vasa efferentia that arises from the testes in frogs' male reproductive system is, they are 10 to 12 in number. They enter the kidneys on their side and open into the Biddar's canal. So they enter the kidneys on their sides and open into Biddar's canal. It communicates with the urinogenital duct that comes out of the kidney and also opens into the cloaca. So the correct option here is B. Next, cells of areolar tissue that produces or secretes fibers are called as fibroblast. Fibroblasts are the principal cells of the areolar tissue and they secrete matrix and the material of which fibers are formed. Next. So which one of the following cell organelles are bound by single membrane? Now only peroxisomes and lysosomes are bound by single membrane. Mitochondria is bound by double membrane. So the correct option here is B. Which one is referred to as soluble RNA? The correct option here is tRNA. tRNA is referred to as soluble RNA. Select the correct constituents of proteins. Proteins constitutes carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. So the correct option here is C. Now certain proteins, remember, may contain phosphorus, iron or other elements also. So this is for your information that certain proteins may also contain phosphorus, sulfur, iron also. A bond between the carboxyl group of one amino acid and amino group of the adjacent amino acid is called as the peptide bond. And it is this peptide bond which helps in the linkage of amino acids with each other, leading to the formation of long polypeptide chain. Which one of the following precedes reformation of nuclear envelope during the M phase of the cell cycle? So before the M phase of the cell cycle, what precedes is the decondensation of the chromosome and reassembly of the nuclear lamina. The plane of alignment of chromosome at metaphase stage of cell cycle is referred to as the metaphase plate. So what happens in metaphase is the spindle fibers attach to the kinetochores of chromosomes. The chromosomes align along the metaphase plate. So the chromosomes align along the metaphase plate and these are the main features of metaphase. Plant growing on hills are likely to show higher transpiration. It is so because here the atmospheric pressure is low. Low atmospheric pressure causes diffusion, higher diffusion of water. So higher rates of transpiration. Which one of the following is part of symplast? Now symplast is a part of all of the options given here. So the correct option is D. Water potential and osmotic potential of pure water is 0. Both of pure water is 0. The bladder serving as floats for trapping insects is found in urticularia. Now urticularia, which is also called as bladderwort, it is a submerged aquatic insectivorous plant. So it is submerged aquatic insectivorous plant. It is rootless and the floating stem bears highly dissected leaves. The portion of the leaf is modified into sac-like bladder of about 1.3 millimeters in diameter. Each bladder is guarded by a small valve which opens inwardly. Small insects flow in the bladder with water but are not able to come out to the pressure of valve. So insect trapping plant is urticularia. Maximum percentage of which element is present in plant ash? Calcium is the main constituent of middle lamella of cell wall. So the highest content of the inorganic material that you would find in plant ash would be calcium. Consider the following statements. The portion of the spectrum between 300 nanometers is referred to as photosynthetically active radiation. Now this statement is wrong. The photosynthetically active radiation is between 400 to 700 nanometers. Magnesium, calcium and chloride ions play prominent role in the photolysis of water. It is only magnesium and chloride that plays prominent role in the photolysis of water, not the calcium. So even statement 2 is false. In cyclic photophosphorylation, oxygen is not released and NADPH is also not produced as there is no photolysis of water. This statement is correct. So 1 and 2 are false, but the statement 3 is true. Select the correct pathway for electron transport during photosynthesis. So water, photosynthesis 2, then photosynthesis 1, then NADPH and H+. So option C would be the correct option. Because electrons during the photosynthesis goes from water to the pH2, which are then by various cytochrome carrier, it reaches the PS1 and then reaches the NADP+ and reduces it in the presence of H+ to form NADPH plus H+. So the correct option is C. Most of the biological energy is supplied by mitochondria through TCA cycle, the oxidized tricarboxylic acid cycle. So that in TCA cycle, the TCA substrate is oxidized by releasing NADH and H+, which produces 3 ATP molecules. So one glucose molecule through the TCA produces 6 NADH plus H+. So 18 ATP are produced. Alright. Because each NADH, since each NADH will result in formation of 3 ATP. So 6 NADH will in total produce 18 ATP. Whereas in the Krebs cycle, only 4 ATP would be produced. So the highest are produced through the TCA. In eukaryotes, photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast, because it is here where we have chlorophyll. The deteriorative process in plants that naturally terminate their functional life are called as senescence. Ethylene is used for ripening of fruits. Phytohormone, commonly called as stress hormone. Stress hormone is abscisic acid. So what does it do is, because there is production of this hormone, it will be resulting in stoppage of growth. So it will arrest growth. So it is called a stress hormone as it is stimulated by various stress. So stimulated by stress conditions like drought, waterlogging, etc. Improper balanced diet may cause, it can cause self-poisoning, it can cause scarcity of moisture in the eyes, feeble muscles. So all of the above. Okay, so a balanced diet should contain, what should a balanced diet contain? A balanced diet should contain about 60 to 70% of carbohydrate. Fats should be about 15 to 25%. Proteins should be about 10 to 15%. So this is fats, this is proteins. And it should also have vitamins, minerals, electrolytes, etc. So therefore the correct option is all of the above. Which of the following does not match correctly? Now here pancreas is mixed gland and Glissen's capsule is the covering found in liver, not on pancreas. So this is wrong. So the correct option is A. Severe acute respiratory syndrome is caused by, it is caused by the variant of common cold or the coronavirus. A muscular transverse partition in mammals that separates thorax from the abdomen is called as diaphragm. Next, so the diaphragm is C-shaped like this and it separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity, particularly found in mammals. Neutrophils are also called heterophiles and polymorphs, both. So the correct option is B, second and third. And they stain equally both basic and acidic dyes. Platelets are thrombocytes. These are cell fragments and produced by megakaryocytes. So the correct option is D. Blood platelets are only found in mammals, remember. These are non-nucleated, round and biconvex. They are much smaller than the RBC. And their source, the blood platelets are the source of thromboplastin. So they are the source of thromboplastin, which is required for clotting. Choose the correct order for urine formation in human. So in human, first it will be PCT. Then it will be descending loop of Henle. Then ascending loop of Henle. Then distal convoluted tubule and finally collecting duct. So the correct option is C. Next, the volume of urine is regulated by which hormones? It is both aldosterone and ADH, both the hormones. So aldosterone and ADH, which controls the level of or the volume of urine. Now ADH, which is also called as antidiuretic hormone. What does ADH does is it stimulates, ADH stimulates reabsorption of water from the DCT. that is distal convoluted tubule. Aldosterone, which is secreted from the adrenal cortex, also increases the reabsorption of sodium ions and water. And what do? They release the potassium ions in collecting duct and DCT. So both hormones, ADH as well as aldosterone. Ammonia is converted into urea in liver. This is done through Krebs cycle. So this conversion of ammonia to urea, which can be later excreted in the urine, is done through Krebs cycle. Which of the following are properties of cardiac muscles? These are the muscles of heart. These are non-striated. They are involuntary in their functions and they are made up of fascicles. So here the correct option is they are the muscles of the heart, since the name only suggests these are cardiac muscle. Now cardiac muscles are striated. They appear striated based upon their appearance, but they are involuntary in their functions. That means its contraction is not under our control. So the correct option is first and third statement. Harvasian canal are found in, now Harvasian canal is a characteristic feature of long bones of mammals. So the correct option is C, long bone of mammals. The centrum of 8th vertebrae of frog, the centrum of the 8th vertebrae of frog is amphicoelous. That means it is concave at both the ends. So its transverse process are somewhat narrower, pointed and direct straight outwards. The neural spine is flattened and directed upwards. Next, select the correct arrangement of neural organization according to their increased degree of complexities. So lower invertebrates have a very simple nervous organization. Then it is insects and then it is vertebrates. So correct option is B. Along with the hypothalamus, the limbic system is involved in sexual behavior, expression of emotional reactions and motivation. So all except one. Option A is correct. Moving on with the next question. ANF has a function totally opposite to, so ANF has function that is at atrial natriuretic factor. It has an opposite function to aldosterone. Now aldosterone plays a central role in regulation of blood pressure by acting on distal tubules and collecting ducts of nephron, increasing the reabsorption of ions and water in the kidney to cause conservation of sodium. So aldosterone will cause reabsorption of water and sodium ions. Alright. And this will cause conservation of sodium and secretion of potassium, which results in increase in BP. On the other hand, this exactly opposite function of atrial natriuretic factor. So this is the exactly opposite function of atrial or ANF. So the correct option is C. Progesterone supports pregnancy is true. Corpus luteum will secrete progesterone until its function is taken up by the placenta. High progesterone level all throughout the pregnancy is very important for the development and the conception process. It also acts on the mammary glands and stimulates the formulation of alveoli. So both A and B are true. Control secondary sexual characters in females. This is wrong. Estrogen is responsible for secondary sexual characters. Next. Female gametes are also called as both A and B. Egg also and ovum also. So the correct option is C. Both A and B. In diploid organism, the gametes produced in fact are called as meiocytes. They are haploid and they can also be called as gamete producing cell. So C, both A and B are correct. Both A and B are true and hence both A and B, which is given in option C. Zygote is always diploid because it is formed by the function of or by the mating of two gametes which are haploid. Next, which of the following is not true for double fertilization? So it was discovered by Navaschin. Navaschin had discovered this in 1898. Next, male gamete and secondary nucleus fuse to form the endosperm nucleus. This is true. The endosperm nucleus is diploid. No, the endosperm nucleus is triploid. It is not diploid, it is triploid. How many nuclei are found in the female gametophyte? Now in the female gametophyte there are 8 nuclei. So out of these, 6 out of the 8 nuclei are surrounded by cell wall and organized into cells, that is egg cells and antipodal cells. The remaining 2 nuclei, so 6 are surrounded by cell wall and organized as egg cell and antipodal cell. 2 nuclei are situated below the egg apparatus. So 2 nuclei are situated below the egg apparatus. So the correct option is A. Onset of menstruation of human female is called as menarche. Menopause is the stoppage of menses or the menstrual cycle, typically at the age of near about 50. Gestation is the period between conception and child delivery. Puberty is when the first menstrual cycle will start to appear. It can either be in male as well as female, but appearance of first periods will be called as menarche. Next, mainly which type of hormone controls the menstrual cycle in human beings? So menstrual cycle is mainly controlled by FSH and LH as well as estrogen. So the correct option here is C. The luteal hormone and progesterone, these have particular functions after fertilization. But normally the menstrual cycle is controlled by follicle stimulating hormone, luteal hormone and estrogen. Cauda epididymis leads to the chorda epididymis leads to the vas deferens, which will carry the sperms from the testes until the ejaculatory duct. The Sertoli cells are regulated by the pituitary hormones, which are regulated by FSH. Which of the following is the mechanical barrier used in birth control? So in birth control, copper T is the most widely used device. Find out sexually transmitted diseases amongst the given. So AIDS, syphilis and gonorrhea, they all are sexually transmitted disease. On the other hand, malaria is not a sexually transmitted disease. Hepatitis B is also caused or may be transmitted through sexual transmission. So first, second, third and fifth is true. Malaria is transmitted through insects and TB by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So the correct option is C. Equatorial division and reductional division takes place in which type of cell division? So equatorial in mitosis and reductional division is meiosis. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Baldness is not a sex-limited trait. It can occur in either of the sexes. It is a sex-influenced trait. Albinism is caused by the deficiency of enzyme tyrosinase, which is necessary. This tyrosinase is necessary for the synthesis of melanin, and melanin deficiency will lead to albinism. Enzyme responsible for reverse transcription is reverse transcriptase. The name itself suggested, reverse transcriptase. A gene of operon which synthesizes a repressor protein is a regulator gene. The regulator gene carries the genetic code which results in the production of repressor protein. Evidence that evolution of life forms has indeed taken place on Earth has come from fossil studies, morphological and comparing the anatomical study as well as the biochemical study. So the correct option is D. Variations in progeny takes place due to, now variations takes place either due to mutation or recombination by gametogenesis or gene flow or genetic drift. So the correct option is D. Spleen. Now we have to find out amongst the three statements which are true. It is a large bean-shaped organ. It mainly contains lymphocytes and phagocytes. It's true because synthesis of the lymphocytes also takes place here. It acts as a filter of the blood by trapping the blood-borne microorganism. Is true. So the correct option is D. The name of Mary Mallon is related with which disease? Now Mary Mallon, which was nicknamed Typhoid Mary. Typhoid Mary, born on September. This famous typhoid carrier who allegedly gave rise to multiple outbreaks of typhoid fever. So it is related to typhoid. Condom or Nirod is found by Hindustan Latex Limited Company. Which of the following is the main evolution of germoplasm in plant breeding program? Now in plant breeding program, what is the aim we have to find out from the given statements? To identify plants with desirable combination of characters is true. So the correct option is A. Central Sugarcane Breeding Research Institute is situated in Coimbatore. A sewage treatment process in which a part decomposer bacteria present in the waste is recycled into the starting of the process is called as activated sludge treatment. So a sewage treatment process, here the decomposer bacteria is a part of the waste. So the correct option is B. Cultivation of BT cotton has been much in the news. The suffix BT means carrying an endotoxin gene. It carries an endotoxin gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. Now, specific BT toxin gene was isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis and incorporated into the several crop plants such as cotton and corn. So, the choice of genes depends upon the crop and the targeted pest, as most BT toxins are insect group specific. Reverse transcriptase, it transcripts the RNA to DNA. The key tool required for recombinant DNA technology, restriction enzyme, is true. Polymerases is also true. Host organism ligases, vector and host organism. Now these are all true. So the correct option is D. The Royce cow known to produce a type of milk which has the following characters. Protein content was 2.4 grams per liter. This is true. Human alpha lactalbumin was also true. More nutritionally balanced for human babies than natural cows. So the correct option is D. All three statements are correct. A dash infects the roots of tobacco plant which reduces the production of tobacco. So this nematode infects the tobacco plant which drastically reduces its yield. The first hormone prepared by genetic engineering is, insulin, which is now extensively used in diabetic patients which are unable, whose pancreas cannot produce insulin. So we provide this artificially produced insulin. Which one is the example of sexual parasite? All of the above. So a male anglerfish, male Bonilia, male schistosoma. They are all examples of sexual parasite. So the correct option is D. Now, sexual parasite, understand, is a type of parasitism in which the parasite lives on a particular sex. So the parasite lives on a particular sex. So in anglerfish, the male lives as a parasite over the head of the female. In male Bonilia, it's an internal parasite, whereas schistosoma lives in the gynecophoral canal of the female. So here the male is the parasite which is living on the female in all three options given here. The biotic potential or potential natality means natural increase of the population under ideal or optimum condition. And individual transitional communities in ecological successions are termed as serial communities. Which ecosystem has the highest gross primary productivity? It is the coral reefs which has the highest gross primary productivity because they grow in areas having good light and abundant nutrients. following shows maximum genetic diversity in India? Rice shows maximum genetic diversities in India. It is estimated to have about 2 lakh varieties of rice in India alone. Which of the following statements are true? Species diversity provides stability to the ecosystem is true. Communities with more species tends to be more stable than those with the less species is also true. Ecosystem with higher biodiversities are more productive than the ecosystem with lower biodiversities is also true. Biodiversity is not essential for maintenance and health of ecosystem. Now this option is wrong. Biodiversity is absolutely essential for the maintenance and the health of the ecosystem. So the correct option is A. Which method is used to remove particulate matter present in the exhaust of the thermal power plant? So electrostatic precipitators are used to remove the particulate power plant. They are very effective devices which removes about 99% of 5 to 20 micrometer size present in the industrial and thermal plants exhaust. One of the chief causative factor of desertification is human developmental activities. So what is desertification? The type of land degradation in which a relatively dry and land region becomes increasingly arid, typically losing. So the land becomes arid, typically losing its bodies of water or water bodies, and by various factors, it is affected by various factors because of human developmental activities.